How to make money with Notion. Have you ever wondered how to turn your love for organization into a lucrative business? Notion, the all-in-one workspace, offers a surprising number of ways to monetize your skills. In this video, we'll explore how to leverage Notion to generate income, from freelancing and consulting to creating digital products and building online communities. Section 1. Freelancing and consulting. Leveraging Notion as a portfolio. Showcase your Notion workspace as a digital portfolio. Highlight how you've used Notion to organize projects, track progress, and collaborate with clients. Offering Notion consulting services. Discuss the growing demand for Notion consultants. Explain how you can help businesses and individuals streamline their workflows, improve productivity, and achieve their goals using Notion. Building a niche. Identify your area of expertise within the Notion ecosystem, e.g., project management, note-taking, knowledge management. This will help you attract clients who need your specific skills. Section 2. Creating digital products. Developing Notion templates. Create and sell Notion templates for various use cases, such as daily planners, project management dashboards, and note-taking systems. Building online courses. Teach others how to use Notion effectively through online courses. You can offer courses on topics like productivity, organization, and business management. Selling Notion-based resources. Create and sell additional resources related to Notion, such as ebooks, workbooks, and productivity tools. Section 3. Building online communities. Creating a Notion community. Start a Notion community around a specific niche or interest. This could be a forum for productivity enthusiasts, a workspace for freelancers, or a knowledge base for a particular industry. Monetizing community membership. Offer paid memberships to access exclusive content, features, and networking opportunities within your community. Partnering with businesses. Collaborate with businesses to promote their products or services within your community. Section 4. Additional monetization strategies. Affiliate marketing. Promote Notion-related products or services through affiliate marketing programs. Coaching and mentoring. Offer one-on-one coaching or mentoring services to help individuals and businesses get the most out of Notion. Speaking and workshops. Share your expertise by speaking at conferences, webinars, and workshops. Notion is a versatile tool that can be used to generate income in various ways. By leveraging your skills, creativity, and understanding of Notion, you can build a successful business and achieve financial freedom. Are you ready to turn your love for Notion into a profitable venture? Start exploring the opportunities mentioned in this video and take the first steps towards. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.